In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate from a simple Google search to the Webflow interface, open your project, find the Apps area, search for Instagram feed, and select the SI Instagram feed option to add Instagram Reels to your Webflow project. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Webflow. Look for the official Webflow result, typically at webflow.com. If you see ads at the top, scroll past them to the official listing. Click through to Webflow and sign in if prompted. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where your projects live. On the dashboard, locate the project you want to enhance. Click View Site for that project. This is a quick way to confirm you're on the right project and to move into the environment where you can access project-specific options. If your account has multiple workspaces or projects, make sure you're selecting the correct one before proceeding. Once you're in the project environment, look for the Apps option. Depending on updates to the interface, it may appear in the main navigation, the sidebar, or the project toolbar. The Apps area is where you discover integrations that extend Webflow's capabilities, connect services, and add dynamic content. If you don't immediately see apps, double-check that you're inside the correct project and that your role has access to integrations. Inside Apps, use the search bar and type Instagram feed. Keep it simple and use lowercase if you like. The search isn't case-sensitive, but accurate keywords help narrow results. You should see a list of relevant integrations and widgets designed to pull Instagram content into your site. If your list looks empty, clear any filters and try again with the exact phrase Instagram feed. From the search results, click on SI Instagram feed to add Instagram Reels to Webflow. This opens the app's detail view, where you can learn what it does, review any requirements, and see screenshots or examples. Take a moment to read the overview so you understand how it fetches and displays posts and reels, and whether it offers customization options that match your site's design. Also, note any usage limits or pricing if they're listed, and make sure the permissions requested by the app align with your project's needs. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your project, navigated to Apps, searched for Instagram feed, and selected SI Instagram feed to bring Instagram Reels into your Webflow experience. Follow the on-screen prompts from here, and you'll be on your way to showcasing fresh, engaging social content right on your site.